So Hachi Infinite is a new portable projector that can turn any flat surface into a smart touch screen. The latest version has AI capability, and it's also paired with Amazon Alexa for voice command. AI Kitchen is one of the latest functions. So if you are cooking in the kitchen and you want to find a nice recipe for something that includes salmon, let's say, you can place your ingredient on the recognition area and hit identify now, and it'll pick up that it's a piece of salmon. It'll give you some calorie intake, and once you remove the item, a few different recipes will pop up. So when you click the recipe, it'll then give you a little video on how to cook the perfect salmon or the perfect steak. That's just the AI Kitchen component. We have AI education to help young children learn how to spell. We have an AI fitness component. If you lay the projector horizontally, it will project onto any wall with up to 120 inches of a screen. So it's a fitness component that uses skeleton sensing to sense your body movement, and you can take the different fitness lessons that are paired with the app involved as well. So Hachi Infinite will be available in March on Amazon worldwide, as well as on hachismart.com. That's HACHI smart.com for $999.99. And we are a CES Innovation Award honoree as well.